Alright, awesome. So here is the creation of my one-shot character. Just a quick disclaimer, this was edited after the actual rolls. So yeah, I was a fucking dumbass, and I actually had a bunch of ones to re-roll, and when I rolled them, I actually added them to the total, so I was rolling for 4 dice, like an idiot. So I went ahead and edited that stuff out with the correct calculations. So yeah, here we go. All right, here's my character for the one shot. Her name is Freya Anderson. Swedish. Yep. Okay, so just a few things to go over. Just because it's a human, technically I get ability score increased by 1, as you can see there. Um, Also, since there's a crap ton of level 10 bullshit, um, we get the ability score improvement, strength, constitution, get another ability score improvement, strength, dexterity, another ability score improvement, strength, constitution. Yeah, so it's already calculated into the numbers, and I know that since WotC did the new thing, when you roll your numbers, you can do that weird point buy thing, two up or two abilities, one up. I haven't done that stuff yet, but it already calculated those three ability score improvements. So as you can see here, it's kind of already there. So yeah, racial for everything, pretty cool. So I'll just do the hard numbers, and we can do that, you know, ability score increase thingamabob. Actually, now that I think about it, it might be just the weird new rate. Anyway, whatever. I'll figure it out. Anyway, so let's just do the hard numbers. And yeah. All right. One and only try, boys. Let's go for strength. Oh shit. They actually got the dice rolling like that. How do you do this shit? Wait. 631. Take the one obviously off. Do you get to re-roll the ones? Or did I just fuck that up? That's kind of shit. Can I just like re-roll? God damn it. Okay, whatever. We'll just do this one. So 2, yeah, don't get to roll that one. 10, 13. Oh boy. Another, ooh, 13. Yeah, we gotta re-roll these ones, my nigga. Okay. Nice, nice. That's a good. Just like my last character, I had like 3 of those. It was crazy. Alright. Okay. Not too bad. A lot of ones here. I wish I could just re-roll one. Alright, well, I will consult you about the ones, I guess. So yeah, there's my numbers. Take a screenshot and deal with it, motherfucker. Alright, after consulting with the DM, we are allowed to roll up to one roll on each stat. Um, yeah, so I made a separate character because it wouldn't let me roll on this character because it's not complete. So I made a random High Elf Wizard Dice Rolling Master. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to do it one by one. Let's do the 10. Let's do 1d6. Alright, and then we'll manually punch in the number after it. Alright, math is cool. Let's go. Alright, so this 1 will be a 3. So 10 plus 3 is 13. Alright, so just for the sake of, keeping it going, let's just put it above here. We're not going to actually keep it on strength, obviously, because I'm a fighter. So let's just manually pop this in, just for keepsake. And as you can see, 10, 3. Alright, we'll just keep doing that. And then these will be our base roll numbers. So, alright, that's better than a 10. Let's go. Alright, let's get something for the, so 13. Oh, never mind. I only get to roll this one. Yeah, 13, reroll. Alright, 13 plus 2. Bam! 13 plus 2, 15. Alright. That's our 1. Alright, 11 plus 1. Woohoo! Let's just keep that at 11. Damn, so the last reroll here. Make this a little bit better, hopefully. 6 plus 1 is shittier than 6 plus 5. Awesome, dude. I like it. So that makes it 11. And for sake of continuity, let's just drop this 13 in there. And this is staying at 16. Alright, so these are the official base rolls for my character. Yeah, so I will add everything all together, and I'll switch these into the appropriate slots that I think is appropriate. And then, yeah, we'll add any modifiers or anything like that at the end, but these are my dice rolls, man. 13, 13, 15, 16, 11, 11. Alright, dude. Success. Alright, so after swapping all of the numbers to the appropriate stats, strength. Alright, so actually I was a complete fucking dumbass and kind of messed up my rolls. I mean, the rolls were fine, but I was actually adding the 1 dice. I was re-rolling the 1 dice and actually just adding it to the total. So I was counting 4 dice. So yeah, I have a history of messing stuff up like that. So it's kind of crazy because the first time I did it fine. The second character I made, I caught myself immediately. Third character, it's totally fine. This time, I don't know. I just Jesus. But yeah, I think something had to do with the interface. I've never rolled online, so for some reason it just tripped me out, and I was like, oh. But yeah, anyway, I fixed it. I went back. I'm going to make some edits to the video to show you the calculations, but it's pretty simple, honestly. But this is my final roll. Yeah, not the best rolls in the world, but I mean, 20 strength, 16 constitution, 15 dex is nothing to scoff at. These, for role-playing purposes, it fits my character actually pretty well. So, yeah, it's all good, man. Yeah, so I am actually ready to play now, and it's going to be pretty sick.